Hello everyone, I am very excited to announce that we will be releasing a series of tutorials on how to build a AI voice assistants using Python. Many of you may have seen videos on YouTube claiming to show you how to build your own AI voice assistant using Python. However, it's important to note that these videos are not actually showing you how to build an AI. In reality, these videos are demonstrating how to build a program that works according to a set of predetermined conditions, commonly known as an if-else structure. While this can be useful way to build a simple programs, but it's not a true AI. Because a true AI involves the use of machine learning algorithms and data to enable a system to learn and make decisions on its own. This is a much more complex process, but it allows for the creation of much more advanced and intelligent systems. So, if you understand learning how to build a true AI voice assistant using Python, stay tuned for our upcoming tutorials. We will be covering everything you need to know about getting started, from the basics of machine learning to advanced techniques for building sophisticated voice assistants. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our upcoming tutorials. And till then, you can watch my older videos which are based on the demos of my AI voice assistant. Okay, till then, bye bye guys.